Hello little ones, it's time to know the world around us. So today we will be doing chapter 8, the gift of water. As you know, water is an important part of our life. We need water for our survival. Plants also need water for their growth. Animals and insects too need water for their survival. Now children, do you know from where we get water? Well, rain is the main source of water, and this rainwater gets collected in different water bodies. Now all of you can look on page number 138 of your book and you will find many pictures where you find water. Let's identify which are these water bodies. The first picture is a lake. Second, you have a sea. The seawater is salty and you cannot drink seawater. This is a pool where we like to swim. River, from where we get most of our drinking water, which is purified and then we get it in our taps. This is a waterfall. The sixth picture, it is a hand pump, which is mostly found, which we can mostly find in villages. Pond is also a collection of water. It also has water in it. Now this is a tap and it is a common feature in most of the household, and from where we get water for our daily use. Now children, coming to the B part, we have been given some questions. Let's answer them one by one. From which of these do we get salt? So we get salt from sea water. Okay. So which ones do we find fish in? So you have seen in the picture that we find fish in ponds. Okay, so you can write pond. In which ones can we go swimming? So you all must have gone swimming in a pool. Which of these is safe to swim in? So pool is safe to swim. Other water bodies have huge amount of water, and like sea, lakes, rivers have huge amount of water and it is not very safe. Okay, now which of these do we have in our homes? So we have taps in our homes from where we get water for our daily use. Which of these do we usually find in villages? We find hand pumps in villages. Which ones give us clean drinking water? So taps give us clean drinking water. Which of these is made by humans? So a swimming pool is made by humans. Okay. Now C part, you have to color the picture given, which is a well. This is your homework. And coming to the D part, now here we will understand and see the different uses of water. So children, which are the different uses of water? We use water for washing our clothes, for watering the plants, cooking, for mopping. We find water sports. Even in amusement park you have water sports. For bathing, for farming, the farmers need water for their crops to grow. And water is also used for washing cars, for car washing. So these are the various uses of water. There are many more uses of water. Now it is very important, children, that we need to save water, because as you know, earth is made up of 71% water, but most of the water we find on earth cannot be used for drinking purpose or household purpose, because it is very salty. Only very less amount of water can be used for consumption. So it is very important that we need to save water. Now how can we save water? By not wasting water. So for this we need to ensure that we don't waste water. Whenever we are brushing our teeth or whenever we open a tap, we have to close it and we have to check leakages and fix it. Also, we have to see that the rainwater is used is used very optimally. So we can do rainwater harvesting, and this way we will get all the water that we need for our household purpose for daily consumption. Okay, for our daily use we can do rainwater harvesting, and this way most of the rainwater can be used for our daily use. So we must pledge not to waste water, as water is precious. So I hope you have understood the chapter, and you need to complete the pages with the help of the PDF. You also need to paste 2 pictures of different sources and uses of water in your GK notebook. Thank you.